Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER NAGA PRO. In this video I'll show you how to manage profiles. To manage profiles of your mouse, let's go to Razer Synapse, select profile and tap here. Here we've got the profile. Press 3 dots button to add profile, import profile, or duplicate or export profile. Now press this button to save profile on onboard memory. To change profile, press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.